It's become a little bit loose, as you can see, and it is definitely time to just clean up that hairline and re-stick it down. This is the point in your hair system. Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. It's me, Mikey. I don't feel like I need to take the whole thing off. It's just the front line that I need to clean up. So I usually do this about a week or a week and a half into wearing my system. So first things first, I get all of the hair out of the way and I pull the system back as far as it will go. Would always wash my hair before doing this because you're going to style it afterwards and the clips tend to make a dent into unwashed hair. So then what we need to do is add a guide with a white eyeliner pencil. The front comes to, so we know where to put the glue to, and I rub that off so it's only very light, and then I place it down. Once that has dried, you have to leave it for about 7 minutes is the golden time, and once you get to the 7 minutes you can then, I use a comb to push that system down into the glue. Blow dry my hair to the style, because we all know Mikey has a bit of a crazy hairdo. Let me know if you put gel in your eyebrows, and then I mess around with it for absolutely ages till I get it looking exactly the same as it did a few seconds ago, but to me it looks different and better.